If I live one more day, I will give it to the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Doc Lisa, kubain muna kami, Lord. Ikuba muna kami. Wag mo lang patayin si Doc Willie. I love the Filipino people. I want to serve you in any way I can. Oh, Doc, dami mong tip. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry, tama na magawa ko. This is the new Doc Willie. The old Doc Willie, yung duwag, is still there. But the new Doc Willie is more, how do you say it? More vocal, more strong, more angry, more vicious. But he is also kind. Anyway, kung iniisip nyo na may sakit ako, my serum, ito blood test ko, look for proof. Papakita natin. You know what my white blood cell count? White blood cell, 5,000 to 10,000. This is my white blood cell. Look. Lisa, focus. Wala pang ganyan, White blood cell, 0.36. Wala na akong white blood cell. My hemoglobin is 11.6. My C-reactive protein is high. Look, sasabihin nyo nahihibang ako, pero this is September 7, my ammonia is 37. Normal is 11 to 35. Higher than 35, you will have hepatic encephalopathy. 37. Pero ngayon, today, they check my ammonia is only 27. So, from super middleweight, I become a flyweight. O ano ba? I need more oxygen. Kung kita nyo katawan ko, lupay-pay na. Ryan, please get this. Puro kayo fake news, Gusto nyo tignan ng dibdib ko? Gumanda-ganda na nga to. Umayos-ayos na nga to. This is the baso. Sira-sira na yung katawag ko. Oh, Doc, dami mong tip. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry, tama na magawa ko. Malalaman ko ba magkaka-cancer ako? Show them my back. Ryan, please hold me. I'm unstable. Show them my back. Can you open it? Point areas where the mass is. Where is T9, T10? Show them. Show them, Doc Lisa. Point it. Use your fingers, Doc Lisa. Where is the mass? Tanggalin mo na ito dalawa, the eyelid. Lisa, tanggalin mo na. Remove it. Nandito po yung buko. Maraming salamat po. Pasensya. Pinakita ko to, baka sabi nila nag-aarte-arte lang ako.